Alright, we are now back in New Haven, over on the other side of New Haven, where I really like to do some flips. Did Lexington Avenue right around the corner. That's featured on the Morse Code on the pilot. 21 Kingswood that we just filmed the other day that we just started. That's a couple blocks up that way. So this, we're again back in my bread and butter territory. This is an estate sale. A little high priced, but I want to see if they'll be open to an offer. Yeah, we got some stuff. Ceiling's got to be redone. These old houses, they're always cracked. People put in drop ceilings to try and hide the cracked sheetrock. Cabinets all have to go. Somebody painted these years ago. This is all gut. Windows haven't been done. They need to be done, so we'll do those. This is an older house, so we probably have some electrical issues. We'll find out when we go downstairs and check the panel. We've got laminate floors, don't like those. Those will have to go. But we do have a cute little dining spot back here. This was an add-on. You can tell this is where the original house ended, this wall right here. So we don't know if there's a foundation under this or not. We'll find that out when we go downstairs too. We've got a slider, a little small balcony, no stairs going down, but that's alright. This will clean up nice. Yeah. Light fixtures, sheetrock, new windows. Probably got some sort of wood under this carpet. These old houses have Douglas fir. They have fir. It's not hardwood. It's a pine. It's a softwood. But I think it might work out okay. And then we will... Got a little settling issue going on here. I can feel that. But it would probably clean up alright. We can go and...
This is a non-bearing wall too, so we could...
Take this out, maybe?
We have to, yeah.
Yeah. Let's go check out the bedrooms and we'll see what they're all about.